Please encourage Anaya.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anaya. Today I am going to tell about my crayon box. This is my beautiful crayon box. It has so many bright and happy colors. With these crayons I'll draw unicorn, butterfly and even my own family. These crayons are smooth and it helps us learn new things every day. So come and take this colors I'll use in home, school or anywhere I want to create art. Color it makes me smile and it helps us learn new things every day. So come and take a crayon box, make your world colorful.
Wow, very nice, Anaya. Good job.